welcome to What's Up Brno. In this week's edition, we are taking you to a coffee drinking place that is not your usual cafe. This is Brno's first open cat cafe, or kočičí kavárna, which goes by the name Pelíšek. All cats in here are looking for a new home and they are waiting to be adopted. You can come, sit down, order a coffee and feel relaxed while being surrounded by cats that you can look at or cuddle. Pelíšek also organizes other events and activities, so you can enjoy cat yoga, cat quizzes and flea markets. They are always raising money for cat shelters and you can donate anytime through their official website. We hope you enjoyed this episode and stay tuned for next week's What's Up Brno. See you!